Hello, and welcome to this Workforce ID Quick Start video. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to restrict walk-in visits in Workforce ID. There are two different ways to do this. The first one we'll look at is how to restrict all walk-in visits across all locations. To get started, go to the Settings area of Workforce ID and click on Visitor Manager on the left-hand side of the screen. Under the Pre-Registration area, scroll down until you find the option to restrict walk-in visits. Check the checkbox, and then scroll back up and make sure that you click Save so that those settings take effect. If you wanted to restrict walk-in visits for just one location, you can instead go to the Admin section of Workforce ID, click on Locations, and then select the location where you want to restrict walk-in visits. From the Preferences area within the location, you can allow or disallow walk-in visits at specifically that location. And that should be all you need to get started with restricting walk-in visits in Workforce ID.